back to another video of Hogtown Homestead. Hit that like button, subscribe button if you feel so, and subscribe button if you feel so led. Today we're just gonna do normal phone chores. I get to ride in the front.
Well, we're gonna go get the chicken feed first.
Let's go.
We do have a giant drill thing. Chicken feed's right here, bud.
It's enormous. Hey, can you help me get enough chicken feed?
Sure.
I'll hold the camera. Oh yeah, that's good for some distraction feed.
Well, we don't need too much we don't need any distraction feed.
Well,
Folks, I gotta clean out the barn or garage, whatever you want to call it.
The barn. Daddy, if I don't give the chickens distraction feed, they would just peck me.
No, they won't. You just let them out of the shed, and they'll be fine.
And then I can just dump it.
Mm-hmm.
I can just dump it on the ground.
Well, not that whole thing. You can't.
I'm gonna spread it. I'm gonna do that.
No, not the whole thing. That's for the chickens, the guineas, and the chicks.
Okay.
The chickens are molting.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Let's go to the guinea.
That's why there's all these feathers in here. And when they're molting, they take a break from laying eggs, which is fine. They give birth every day when they're not molting. So
Let's go to the guinea.
I'm glad they're able to take a break from that, because that's got to be a lot of work.
Now the chickens have the shed and the guineas have the chicken tractor to themselves.
Yes.
And the guineas are also really cold. They have to be really cold. It's freezing. Hey, look how cold they look.
Yeah, it looks like they need to get some water, huh?
Yeah.
They don't look that cold. Here, I'll feed the guineas because they get pretty crazy, okay?
Okay. Oh, God, they need some warm water, Daddy. Daddy, they need warm water.
We're gonna get them water. All right.
The hose isn't working, so I'll put the feed next to the garage so you always know where it is. Chicks are muffled.
Well, we gotta feed the chicks. Come on, let's go.
Let's feed the chicks and then get the guineas their warm water.
Okay.
With their warm water, they would stay warm and they won't die of thirst.
That's right. How come you're following me? Go to the chicks.
No, I don't see you. I have the water.
We're gonna get it in a second. I need to get gloves because it may look sunny outside, folks, but it is cold and windy.
Pretty windy.
Yep.
And these are the little chicks. They're now in the guinea tractor.
This is where they were,
In the last video, you saw them
as you can see.
inside the house.
And now I'm just rotating them. In a couple days, they'll be
that's
going
for
back the
some
other way.
Chick distraction feed.
And that should take them to the end of February. All right, hey, go ahead. Just dump it out here like this.
Okay, I got it. I got it, Daddy. I got it.
That's good, that's enough.
Oh yeah. What are we gonna use the rest for?
We're just gonna put the rest in the bag, back in the feed bag. Come on.
Maybe you took too much. There is some feed in the handle. See?
Yep, there is.
Even in my...
All right, come on.
Uncle Audron even let me have that that awesome black basketball.
Did he let you have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said I can have it. I mean, it is his basketball, so he decides what to do with it. The rest just goes into the bag. Another stack in the bag.
Check it out, folks. That's a Kubota L2501
Why is there...
with an auger on the back,
Why is...
a forklift on the front.
Daddy, what is that? What did you do? It looks like some kind of chicken wire.
Oh yeah, that's fencing, buddy.
Why did you put fencing on that?
Well, that's what we're gonna fence off our property with that. Come on, let's go. Let's go warm up our hands. And then we'll get caught up again on feeding the pigs. Also, I'm gonna warm up the truck before we do this.
So that means you need to start the truck.
Yep.
Say drive with your knee. I know you can do it. I've seen you do it before.
I'm not gonna do that.
I've seen you do it before. Hey, can I pull this?
No.
No, just tell me what letter or number to pull it into.
I'll let you know, but I don't think you'll need to.
So, Daddy, we do have to put it into park. Yeah, we don't.
You're gonna hold the camera, okay?
Okay,
All right. So just hold it like this
okay.
and make sure that you can see me in it. You don't need to move the camera at all. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, don't hold it like that. Your fingers are in the way. There you go, just like that. Okay, here I go.
Is there a little new shelter? Over there's their old shelter. There's my dad doing what he's supposed to do. So I made you guys go up. And I like their old shelter. Looks like home to me. But their new shelter is home for them. Have you guys watched the video when the pigs charged through the fence trying to bash through? They were more focused on getting their food than getting electrocuted. And I feel like I'm getting electrocuted by an invisible fence.
Is that what you feel like?
Yeah. There he is. So, it is going good. I just found you guys on the ground. Are you guys upside down? Yeah, you are. You're just upside down. No, you are. Again. My gloves are so slippery.
Cade, you're covering the camera, bud.
I know.
There you go.
Dad, there's something on the camera and it's yellow.
Okay. All right, we're good to go.
Let's get out of here.
Yep.
Hey, this time can I hold the camera? the truck?
No, we're done now.
Okay. That's another video of Hogtown Homestead. Just subscribe. Remember what I said at the start. Subscribe and like if you feel so led. Sweet. And because we're up and down. Hey.
As Cade said down at the pig paddock, thank you so much for watching another episode here on Hogtown Homestead. Like and subscribe if you feel so led.
That's what
We're up
I
to
said.
Yeah, you did say that. We're up to 54 subscribers now, so that's awesome.
Subscribe to get 55. Maybe we can even get 1,000 subscribers on this video.
You heard him. Maybe we can get 1,000 subscribers on this video. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.